Coming to the next problem, this is a non-beta case problem, that is type 2. We have this following conditions. We'll proceed with the problem. An hexagonal pyramid, 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its edges of the base. This was the first condition. Draw the projection of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to HP at 45 degree. So this is your second condition, and appears to be inclined to VP at 30 degree. This is your third condition. To begin with, go to line command, take the suitable type and width, start with horizontal line. So 25, length, 0 angle, 25, 60, 25, 120, 25, 180, 25, minus 120, 25, and minus 60. After drawing this, identify the center by joining the diagonals. Next, go to move command, sub option of that select rotate, select this particular, and we want edge to the right side. Select one edge and make it vertical. Next, go to text. So this is A, B. So after this, C, D, E, F, and name this center OO1. Next, this is your top view. To get a front view, project the line to the XY line from all these points. So after projecting this, raise the height of an axis from the center only. Select the axis line. What is the height of this? Given as 50 mm. Once that is done, take the suitable type and width. So join this point and this point. From the front view, OB edge covers the axis, so I will be covering this particular axis. Now go to text. From the front view, A, B, C is clearly visible. D, E, F is not visible. So this will be A dash of F dash. Similarly, other namings also. After naming all these things, you can go to smart dimension and show this dimensions. Further, to satisfy a second condition, go to select this particular, go to move option, switch on the copy. With this endpoint, place this here. Next, immediately go to rotate option, select this particular, that is C dash of D dash, and opposite one A dash of F dash. Click here and give the angle 90 minus the given. So you will get a final position. After this, go to the projection line, take the suitable type and width. From all these points, project down. So while projecting, be careful about the end points. If the end point is not showing, you can go to the tools, IntelliSketch, relationships, and you can check there. So A falls on the first line and C falls somewhere here. B falls on this second line. F falls on the first line as well as on the last line, that is third one. Next, E falls on this second line. This OO1, so click once here. See, due to some relation, if it is not exactly horizontal or 0 degree, you can type it 0 here, which helps for the projection. Click here once and here once. Next, go to trim, trim this extra part, go to move option, switch on the copy, and just copy the namings here. Instead of copying, you can also use the command text, and you can just text here. Since it is already readily done, you can just copy this. Now go to text. This is O1 and this is O. Further, so after rotating from the front view, ensure you show this angle which confirms what angle you have rotated. Okay. Next, go to line command, take the suitable width. Here the boundary is O, B, A, F, E, and O. From the top view, you can make a note here. I'm just showing here. From the top view, O to A is clearly visible and O to F is clearly visible. So I will join this with a continuous line, that is O to F and O to A. Since you have drawn the splitted line, you can directly select this and change it to axis for axis visibility. Further, the base part is not visible. Go to the dotted line. For your convenience, I'm just zooming this part. Select this E, D, C, and B. The base part is dotted again. C to O is dotted and O to T is dotted. So further, to satisfy a third condition, select this particular, go to move, one reference point, you can place it. Immediately go to rotation option. You are rotating with respect to horizontal, that is O1O. Click this and directly enter the given value, that is 30 degree. So you can rotate this way or this way. I will be rotating this particular way so that apex is nearer to this. After that, go to line command, take the suitable type and width and start projecting to get a final position. So once after this, you can measure this angle, horizontal and an axis, just to confirm you have rotated properly. Further, you can continue with your projections. So we know that the resting edge always falls on XY line. You can, with that knowledge, you can directly project this. Next, this E point somewhere falls on the second line. So this is your B point. Next, further, this is your F and this is your A. So move along this axis and project the axis also. So next, go to trim this extra part. Now you name this corners with the following names and proceed the problem. After naming all these things, you can also show the direction of projection. Next, go to line command, take the suitable type and width. So since base part is clearly visible, you can join this C dash, B dash, A dash. This is F dash, E dash, D dash, and again back to C dash. Now, as I told, if this edge is intersecting your base, then it is a dotted. If not, it is continuous. So you can make a note, B dash is not intersecting, A dash is also not intersecting, and F dash is also not intersecting, so it is continuous. And C dash is also not intersecting, that is just, it is emerging from C. from the base. Now this E dash is dotted because it is dividing the base, and D dash is also dividing, so it is dotted line. Further, go to axis line and suitable width, join this axis. This completes your problem.